I often comment to Boris when I'm wearing that jumpsuit and we're together, because we do match. But the black t-shirt and black sweatshirt and Van Galen wearing the same color really put it over the edge. Hey Nick, how you doing? Good to see you. Brunch, enjoy. Oh, and good luck if you go straight into your cutting phase. Oh, nice. Okay. Very good. Oh, right. I'm looking for my reference picture. I've got this on top of it. It's fine. It's fine. It's perfect. It's good. Ow. It's sharp. Why are you so sharp? Woo! Trying not to toss these around, but all right, let's be smart about this. Grab them with the pliers here. Sorry if this is the most like tedious thing to watch ever. Is this horrible? I don't actually have anything else I can do planned, so I hope not, but I appreciate your willingness to hang out with me through this experiment. No? Okay, good. Good, good, good. So in addition to the stuff that I got from Delphi, which was the wire and that I'm using right now, and that glass that I opened, I also got the things that I ordered on Amazon, which were solder, because I'm very close to finishing my first entire 1 pound roll of solder. And I ordered some nightlight kits, as people were talking about on stream, I don't know, a couple streams ago. So I got some to see